Hello friends! Today we're going to talk about something that may be a little uncomfortable. We're going to talk about crafting our last will and testament. And none of us want to think about the eventuality of our death, but if you have children and if you have an estate, you do need to plan for how that estate's going to be distributed and a guardianship for your children and the financial support that they're going to need. So we're just going to talk briefly about crafting your last will and testament. My best advice is to seek an attorney so that you know all the legalities in your state and that they can give you the best legal advice on how to distribute your assets and how to protect your assets, as well as provide guardianship for your children and those funds to support your children with that guardian. That being said, not all of us can afford to go out and hire an attorney to craft a will. So the second thing I would advise is if you can get a program, like this is a CD called PC Attorney. It has lots of legal forms on it. You can download them online. There's also websites where you can fill them out. And I'm just going to say personally, I didn't like that experience because you front load all your information into the template, and then when you go to download it, there ends up being a fee. I don't want to put my personal stuff on a website with, somebody else's template. I want to be able to download and hard copy my last will and testament and write it out. I like to write it out in hard copy. That way I'm the only one that has a copy of that, and I can make revisions. But remember, you need to look at the laws in your state, and you need to make sure that you have whatever document that you craft personally notarized. I would take a witness, someone that you trust, as well as a notary. That's in the meantime. Until you can get to an attorney or you can afford an attorney, you want to have something written providing a guardian for your children, even your pets. You may want to provide a guardian for your pets and some support from your assets for that, as well as the distribution of your assets, including your real estate. Remember that inventory we've been keeping? We have all of our possessions documented. Some of those can be heirlooms, and some of them you may want to leave to loved ones in your life. So we already have that, so you can specify and include those pictures that we have been using to document our tangible assets. Remember, we have investments and vehicles, real estate. All of those things need to be considered. So today I just suggest that you take a little time, start jotting down the things that you know that are assets in your estate, and talk to your significant other, talk to some people that you might want to assign as guardians for your children and your pets, so that we can start to craft a last will and testament by either going to your attorney and using that information, or making a temporary last will and testament using a template from either a CD or a downloaded template from an online source. You do need to check the laws in your state and make sure that you've met all the requirements in order for your last will and testament to be legally enforceable. This is just my advice, and it's part of our financial well-being, but just take a moment today and start jotting down your ideas, so either you can take that with you when you visit your attorney, or you can start filling them into your template so that you can craft that last will and testament. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining me, and thanks for following me on this journey. I hope it's helping, and I will look forward to seeing you next time.